Howdy YouTubers, it's me, Mr. Frank Mason, back with another video for you guys today. And today's video is going to be a video about 10 things never to do in a Nerf War, you hear me? And today I'm going to have my little brother Jesus here to help me, and this guy, I don't know his name anymore. What's your name, Albert? Bob. Yeah, but today I'm going to be doing 10 things never to do in a Nerf War, because we're men and we play with guns because we do what we want. So now it's time for number uno. Get ready for total awesomeness.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world, laughing plastics. It's fun.
Hey, what's up, man? Nah, I'm not doing anything much, you know, just in the middle of the Nerf War, that's all. Really? Well, yeah, you know, it's kind of boring, you know. I'm owning these losers. Yeah, sure, man. I don't see why not. Yeah, okay, man. Alright, see you. Ah!
Surprise.
Oh yeah, I kill you. Oh, Frank got the power. Frank got the power. You a loser. Hey guys, I'm kinda out of ammo, so you know, if you wanna, you know, donate or something to me, because you know, it'd be kind of nice if thank you. Thanks guys, and I just wanna, you know, it's really nice of you guys that you're nice enough to, you know, actually just
I
thought you knew where he was.
So what's up guys? You ready to see my gun?
Yeah. But not Nerf gun.
I thought you said it was a cool gun, Frank.
It is cool. You guys just, you don't know a tip. I just. I'm not quite sure, Matt, but wherever we are, we better find out what it is. Excuse me, you young boy.
What are you losers doing here?
Hello, we need your help.
What?
We've kind of been stuck here for maybe the past hour or so. We're looking for a TARDIS.
Oh, what's that?
It's time and relative dimensions in space. It's a bluish police box. You've hardly seen it around. You can't miss it.
Oh, yeah, what's that too? Go.
What? Why would you do that, you monster? Oh, run, Matt, run! party, let's a party, let's a party real big. What you looking at, little boy?
You old man.
What did you call me?
Old man. What are you even dressed in?
I am a plumber slash a carpenter. I dress like this every day. What are you dressed in, Mexican?
This isn't a costume party.
Well, I thought this was a dance party.
It's over there to your right.
As far as you know, I'm Mario.
I'm gonna have to kill you now.
Stop it!
Ray, he's our partner.
I didn't know. He kind of looked like a zombie.
He's not pale, he's not bit.
Sorta is.
Say sorry.
Dude, I've lived a long life of killing zombies.
Say sorry. Louder.
Sorry.
Say it to his face.
Chili! We gotta keep him from coming. He's our partner.
Hey, we gotta go.
But Isaac, I can't find my gun, Isaac. Isaac, that's my favorite gun. No. Emmanuel. Hey YouTubers, thank you guys for watching this video, and if you guys liked it, leave a comment down below or message me that you guys liked this 10 things never doing a Nerf War video. It was a lot of hard. Wait, what? It was really harder than I thought it would be. And yeah. So thank you guys for watching. This is like just the first time doing this type of video, so yeah, if you guys like it, just let me know on things, and yeah, so until next one, guys.
Hey, no.
Yeah.